Citrus 12's primary orchid, displayed here, carries a powerful and distinctive fragrance that lingers from morning till afternoon. If you are a strong believer in aromatherapy, you are in for a great treat. These therapeutic orchids are added into Citrus 12, which aids in improving the health of the body, mind, and spirit. To add more bright and happy tones to the composition, we have opted to include scent enhancers such as tangerine, cherry, mango, and apple. These scent enhancers help embellish the fragrance, adding finishing touches to create an impeccable scent. Tangerine, although smells similar to oranges, contains a subtle honey-like scent to it, making it smell sweeter. Cherry, mango, and apple enhance the sweet, fruity scent of the fragrance, in addition to adding a refreshing element. Incorporating sweetness in a fragrance is always a great way to lift spirits and relieve persistent lethargy. Not only that, these fruity oils are great problem solvers when it comes to tackling skin issues. They are rich in vitamins A and E, helping to rejuvenate skin, and producing a youthful, radiant glow to our skin. These oils are also packed with antioxidants, battling against signs of aging. If you're looking for an uplifting and happy scent for your perfume, this would be a perfect choice. Kindly note, the scent notes, particularly orchid scent notes, sometimes change due to soil, temperature, and other variations.